I actually met Mono sometime in the mid-90s when he played on my daughter's album. My daughter is Sharon Manyika, some of you know her. Her album was Mufuzi. One day, early in the morning, I just felt that I had to give this guitar to Mono. If somebody had asked me why, I didn't really have a reason. But today I do have a reason. One of my daughters, she's here actually, I know, brought a young man to me who introduced himself as Mono's son. And he was holding that guitar. And he said, my dad told me that you're the one who gave him this guitar. And he said, I learned how to play guitar on this. For me, giving this guitar to Mono didn't really mean much. But the fact that he could keep it for over 20 years and that he trained his son to play guitar on it, he trained many other musicians who are actually here to play on that guitar. That is what got me, and then I began to look at the way I had related with Mono. I have suffered heavily at the hands of musicians. Unfortunately, I have to say this. And I'll tell you, one time I had this experience. Sharon was launching an album in Blue Whale, and this guy was going to play keyboard at that concert. I had paid him, everything was ready. He called me when I was in Blue Whale at 5 o'clock, and he said, we have just passed Ntavazinduna. I'll be there by 6 o'clock when the concert begins. At 6 o'clock, he was not there. Then he called me and he said, sorry, Pastor, I'm still in Harare. My question was, what kinds of people are these? But let me tell you this. When I worked with Mono, all that changed. Mono was always punctual. There was a time when I wanted to do something on a song. I came all the way from Gweru and I came here. And I said, please just do something on this song. I had already given him this guitar. He refused. And the reason why he refused was because somebody had already booked him. He felt that he had to honor him and then play my music later. So, I saw integrity in Mono. And in finishing off, let me say this to you. I see a lot of young musicians and so forth. You can survive by that gift. Mono sent his kids to school. He has a studio. He played with Oliver Mtukudzi. He now has a degree playing music. So I just want to encourage you at Mono's birthday, be like Mono, learn from him. Have some integrity, have some focus, and that gift of yours will help you.